Most people study English for years and still cannot speak it. Do you know why? Because they are learning the wrong sentences. Today I am going to give you 30 sentences that people use every single day. Not textbook sentences. Not complicated sentences. Real, simple, natural English. If you watch this episode until the end, learning English will never feel as difficult to you again. Hey friends, welcome back to English Degree. I'm Olivia, and this is episode 3. In this episode, I will teach you 30 brand new sentences. Sentences for shopping, for work, for daily life, and for talking about your feelings and your future. For each sentence, I will explain what it means and when you use it. Then you will say it after me. I will speak slowly and naturally, the same way native speakers do in real life, so that you can hear every word clearly and learn the right way to say it. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with sentences about plans and intentions. These are sentences you use when you want to talk about what you are going to do. Sentence 1. I am going to visit my parents this weekend. I am going to is how we talk about a plan we have already decided. It is different from I want to. This means the plan is fixed. This weekend tells us when. You can change visit my parents to any plan. Go to the market. Meet a friend. Rest at home. Now you say it. I am going to visit my parents this weekend. Say it with me one more time. I am going to visit my parents this weekend. Sentence 2. I am planning to learn a new skill. I am planning to means you are thinking about doing something in the future, and you have started preparing for it. A new skill means something new you want to be able to do, like cooking, coding, or speaking English. It is a very natural and motivating sentence. Now you say it. I am planning to learn a new skill. Say it with me one more time. I am planning to learn a new skill. Sentence 3. I hope to travel someday. I hope to means you have a wish or a dream for the future. Someday means at a future time. You are not sure exactly when. This is a soft and warm sentence. It shows your dreams without being too strong or too certain. Now you say it. I hope to travel someday. Say it with me one more time. I hope to travel someday. Sentence 4. I will call you later. I will is how we make a quick decision or a promise about the future. Later means after some time, not now but soon. This is one of the most common sentences in everyday conversation. People say this all the time when they are busy or when they want to stay in touch. Now you say it. I will call you later. Say it with me one more time. I will call you later. Sentence 5. I am thinking about changing my job. I am thinking about means you are considering something. You have not decided yet. Changing my job means moving to a different place of work. This is a very honest and relatable sentence. Many people feel this way at some point in their life. Now you say it. I am thinking about changing my job. Say it with me one more time. I am thinking about changing my job. Now let's learn sentences for when you are out shopping, traveling, or asking for directions. These are very practical sentences for real life. Sentence 6. I'm just looking, thank you. When you walk into a shop and someone asks if you need help, but you just want to look around, you say this. Just looking means you are browsing, not buying yet. Thank you keeps it polite. It is a very common and natural response. Now you say it. I'm just looking, thank you. Say it with me one more time. I'm just looking, thank you. Sentence 7. Can I try this on? We use this sentence in a clothing shop when we want to wear something to see if it fits. Try this on means to put it on your body to check the size and the look. It is a very important sentence for shopping for clothes. Now you say it. Can I try this on? Say it with me one more time. Can I try this on? Sentence 8. Do you have this in a bigger size? When you find something you like in a shop but the size is too small, you ask this. Do you have means you are asking if the shop carries something. A bigger size means a larger version of the same item. You can also say a smaller size if you need that. Now you say it. Do you have this in a bigger size? Say it with me one more time. Do you have this in a bigger size? Sentence 9. How do I get to the train station? How do I get to? is how we ask for directions in English. It means what is the way to reach this place. You can change the train station to any place, the hospital, the park, the school. This is one of the most useful sentences when you are in a new place. Now you say it. How do I get to the train station? Say it with me one more time. How do I get to the train station? Sentence 10. Is this seat taken? When you want to sit somewhere and there is already someone nearby, you ask this. Is this seat taken? Means, is someone already using this chair? If the answer is no, you can sit. It is a polite and very common question in public places. Now you say it. Is this seat taken? Say it with me one more time. Is this seat taken? Sentence 11. I will pay by card. When you are at a shop or a restaurant and it is time to pay, you say this. Pay by card means you are using a credit card or debit card, not cash. The opposite would be, I will pay in cash. Both are very useful sentences. Now you say it. I will pay by card. Say it with me one more time. I will pay by card. Now let's learn sentences for work and school. These are sentences that will help you sound confident and professional. Sentence 12. I finished the work on time. Finished on time means you completed something before or exactly at the deadline. It is not late. This is a very positive sentence. It shows you are responsible and organized. People love hearing this at work or school. Now you say it. I finished the work on time. Say it with me one more time. I finished the work on time. Sentence 13. Can you send me that file? We use this sentence when we need someone to share a document or a file with us. Send me means to deliver it to me, usually by email or message. That file refers to a specific document you have already talked about. It is a very common sentence at work. Now you say it. Can you send me that file? Say it with me one more time. Can you send me that file? Sentence 14. I have a question about this. When something is not clear to you at work, in class, or in a meeting, you say this first. It is a polite way to let someone know you need more information. It is much better than staying silent and being confused. Now you say it. I have a question about this. Say it with me one more time. I have a question about this. Sentence 15. I will get back to you soon. This means you will give someone an answer or more information after some time. Get back to you means to follow up, to reply later. Soon means in a short time. It is a very professional and polite sentence when you cannot answer right away. Now you say it. I will get back to you soon. Say it with me one more time. I will get back to you soon. Sentence 16. I need more time to finish this. Sometimes a task takes longer than expected. This sentence lets your boss or teacher know honestly. I need more time shows you are aware of the situation. It is always better to say this early than to miss a deadline without saying anything. Now you say it. I need more time to finish this. Say it with me one more time. I need more time to finish this. Sentence 17. Can we meet tomorrow morning? This is how you suggest a meeting time to someone. Can we is a polite way to make a suggestion. Tomorrow morning tells them when you are available. You can change the time. This afternoon, next week, on Friday. It is a very useful sentence at work or school. Now you say it. Can we meet tomorrow morning? Say it with me one more time. Can we meet tomorrow morning? Sentence 18. I did not understand the instructions. When someone gives you directions or explains something and you are confused, you say this. Instructions means the steps or rules someone gives you. This is an honest and important sentence. It helps you get the right information instead of making mistakes. Now you say it. I did not understand the instructions. Say it with me one more time. I did not understand the instructions. Now let's learn sentences about how you feel and what you have experienced. These make your conversations deeper and more personal. Sentence 19. I feel nervous when I speak English. This is one of the most honest sentences an English learner can say. Feel nervous means you feel a little scared or uncomfortable. When I speak English tells us the situation. Many people feel this way, and saying it out loud actually helps you feel better. Now you say it. I feel nervous when I speak English. Say it with me one more time. I feel nervous when I speak English. Sentence 20. I am so proud of myself. Proud of myself means you feel good about something you did. You worked hard, you achieved something, and you recognize that. This is a powerful and positive sentence. Say it when you finish a difficult task, when you learn something new, or when you make progress. Now you say it. I am so proud of myself. Say it with me one more time. I am so proud of myself. Sentence 21. I have never done this before. I have never means something has not happened even once in your life up to now. Done this before means this is your first time experiencing it. This is a very natural sentence when you try something new. A new food, a new activity, a new experience. Now you say it. I have never done this before. Say it with me one more time. I have never done this before. Sentence 22. That was easier than I expected. Easier than I expected means you thought it would be harder, but it was not. Expected means what you thought would happen. This is a great sentence to use after finishing a task or trying something new for the first time. Now you say it. That was easier than I expected. Say it with me one more time. That was easier than I expected. Sentence 23. I really enjoyed that. Really enjoyed means you like something very much. More than just a little. We say this after watching a film, finishing a meal, or completing an activity that made us happy. It is warm, natural, and very common in everyday English. Now you say it. I really enjoyed that. Say it with me one more time. I really enjoyed that. We are almost at the end. Here are the final sentences. All of them very common, very natural, and very useful for your daily life. Sentence 24. It takes about 20 minutes. It takes tells us how long something needs. About means approximately, not exactly, but close. 20 minutes is the time. You can use this sentence for anything. A journey, a task, cooking. For example, it takes about 10 minutes to walk there. Now you say it. It takes about 20 minutes. Say it with me one more time. It takes about 20 minutes. Sentence 25. I forgot to bring my bag. Forgot means you did not remember to do something. Bring my bag means to carry your bag with you when you left. This is one of those sentences we use almost every day, because forgetting things is very human and very common. Now you say it. I forgot to bring my bag. Say it with me one more time. I forgot to bring my bag. Sentence 26. Can you wait for me, please? When you are running late or you need a moment, you say this. Wait for me means to stay in one place until you arrive. Please makes it polite. It is a sentence you will need in many situations. At a meeting point, at the door, or on the phone. Now you say it. Can you wait for me, please? Say it with me one more time. Can you wait for me, please? Sentence 27. I will be there in 5 minutes. This is what you say when someone is waiting for you, and you want to let them know you are coming soon. I will be there means you are on your way. In 5 minutes tells them how long they need to wait. It is a very common and reassuring sentence. Now you say it. I will be there in 5 minutes. Say it with me one more time. I will be there in 5 minutes. Sentence 28. That sounds like a great idea. When someone suggests something and you like it, you say this. That sounds like means it seems to be. A great idea means a very good suggestion. It is a warm and encouraging response. People feel good when they hear this from you. Now you say it. That sounds like a great idea. Say it with me one more time. That sounds like a great idea. Sentence 29. I agree with you. When someone says something and you think the same thing, you say this. I agree means I think the same way. With you means you are responding directly to that person. It is simple, direct, and very natural in any conversation. Now you say it. I agree with you. Say it with me one more time. I agree with you. Sentence 30. Every day is a chance to get better. This is our final sentence and it is my favorite one in this episode. Every day is a chance means each new day brings a new opportunity. To get better means to improve, to be stronger, smarter, and more confident than yesterday. This is not just an English sentence. This is a mindset. Say it every morning and mean it. Now you say it. Every day is a chance to get better. Say it with me one more time. Every day is a chance to get better. And that is all for episode 3. You just learned 30 brand new English sentences. Together with episode 1 and episode 2, you now have 75 real sentences that you can use starting from today. If you have not watched episode 1 and episode 2 yet, go to my channel and watch them. All 3 episodes together will give you a very strong foundation for your English journey. Now here is your challenge. Pick any one sentence from today's episode and write it in the comments below. Just one sentence. I would love to read yours. This is English Degree and I'm Olivia. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button. It really helps. And if you want more simple and useful English sentences every week, subscribe to this channel. Every episode is made to help you speak English more naturally and more confidently. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you in episode 4.